Let me go and tell you a quick story. When my son was younger, he was on oxygen at night and we had him hooked up to an oxygen concentrator and everything looked fine. He had a pulse ox that just kept alarming and over it was telling us like, hey, he's not getting enough oxygen. So my wife and I started like freaking out. So we checked the machine, we checked the connection to him, all the connection, everything. And we assumed it had to be the concentrator that was wrong, but it wasn't. Something so small, which was the oxygen tubing. The oxygen tubing itself had a leak in it. It was a small hole in the line. The oxygen was leaking out before it ever reached him. So once we figured that out, it was a pretty simple fix. And we didn't figure it out for probably too long because these alarms kept going off and nothing was making sense to us. And I see this exact same concept happen to professionals and experts in the home service business every single day. They have these leads coming in, their marketing is working, they have demand for jobs, but then at the very end, they're not getting enough new customers every single month. And that's what's alarming. It's not because they have a bad product. It's not because the marketing isn't working. It's because there's a leak inside their system. And here's what I've learned after more than 20 years in sales and training over 5,000 people in in-home consultative selling is that most business owners assume that deals are lost at the estimate, but they usually aren't. They're lost throughout the entire journey of the client. And what we have is what I've created over the course of 20 years of framework that I call it's the cold to close framework, because it maps what actually happens from the first moment someone finds the business all the way through a clear yes, no, or next step. So there's 3 phases in this. The first phase is cold to connect. So cold to connect is where most businesses are already leaking without realizing it, because there's 2 different types of people that visit your website. One group is someone who's ready to click. They're ready to call. They're ready to book right now. And then the other group is not ready to call or click or book right now. They're interested, but they're not ready to take immediate action. So what happens is when websites are built, we're usually only building for the first group. So that way we can get them into the pipeline as fast as possible. But the second group has nowhere to go. There's no way for them to raise their hand. There's no way for them to stay connected to the business. And that's where off the bat, we get like a 20 to 30% leak right off the bat, because that demand disappears immediately before we even ever get a chance to have them raise their hand. So that's phase 1 in the cold to connect, which could be a 20 to 30% leakage in the marketing spend. The second phase we call interested to invested. And sometimes this might be called the messy middle. It's a lead does raise their hand, or they fill out a contact form, or they get a free estimate or a quote, or they want to get access to a lookbook, or they want to book a call. They're kind of like shopping around. Maybe they're comparing. Maybe they're not 100% just looking for you. They're sipping on wine at 11 o'clock at night. And they're like, maybe we want new blank, fill in the blank, a pool or new patio lighting or a lanai or remodel a bathroom or something. And it's like some sort of luxury that they're like, maybe we want that. And they fill out a form or they do something late at night. They're just shopping around and the response time is slow. Maybe they fill out a bunch of forms and they just see who engages with them. Maybe they're just looking for who builds trust with them or who adds value to them, or how easy is it for them to book an appointment. Sometimes it feels harder than it actually should. And then the momentum dies because that homeowner is not just going to your business. They might be going somewhere else. So this is where the leads, they're not saying, no, I wasn't interested in you. They just stop engaging or they just go ghost. And oftentimes they do that is because there was a very slow speed to lead. So that's phase 2 in that interested to invested phase of how can we keep this homeowner's attention? How can we build trust? How can we add value to them during that interested to invested phase? And most of the time, the professionals of home service, they get to the home, they do the walkthrough, they have a good conversation, they present an estimate. They're golden during that. But then there's this phase in phase 3, which we call no to next. And this is when the homeowner isn't ready to decide on the spot. And maybe the home service provider might say, all right, we'll follow up with you. We'll give you a couple of days. We'll stay in touch. But without a system, that follow up just relies on memory. And oftentimes those deals that weren't actually lost, they just fade out because the homeowner got busy, the service provider got busy. Maybe we circle back to them on an occasion or something like that. So when that happens, we realize we're losing those leads at the very, very bottom of the funnel. So we're losing leads at the top of the funnel. We're losing leads in the middle of the funnel. Then we're also losing them on the very bottom of the funnel. So this is not a marketing problem. This is not a people problem. This isn't even a quality of work problem. What this is, it's a system problem. And you are doing a good job, if any of this resonates to you, generating the leads, because just like my son, the oxygen concentrator was doing a good job at producing the oxygen, but it just wasn't reaching him. Just like those leads aren't reaching you because, well, the system has holes in it. So that's why what we're doing right now is we're doing this war room install type of concept, which I'll explain to you. But over the last few years, we've installed different versions of this cold to close framework for home service businesses, everyone from interior design, custom kitchen and bath. We've worked with probably a dozen landscape lighting and outdoor lighting companies and holiday lighting companies. And so a lot in this like luxury, high ticket, $5,000 to $50,000 non-emergency type of home service business owner that we've been working with. And we've been doing this like install event for them. In most cases, it lived inside of our long-term high touch engagement that we had with these businesses. So a lot of these relationships, it made sense for like certain companies for them to work with us over a 12-month or 24-month or even a 36-month engagement, but it didn't work that way for everyone. What we kept hearing about our 12-month and 36-month engagements over and over again is that the install event where we would meet in person, that's exactly what they needed. We had a few people say, we got more done in like 2 days than we would have done in 2 years. Some say that it's exactly what we needed to get installed efficiently and done right. And you could see we've done this dozen plus times. And, there's a lot of different case studies and testimonials and reviews that you can check out. But if you're on our page, you could see them below. And that's when it just kind of clicked for us. The easiest way for me to try to help more home service business owners is by creating an install event that is not attached to our long-term commitments. And I'll try to explain this to you this way. Let's say a homeowner, using like an outdoor lighting example, homeowner says, hey, I want to get lights installed into my home. You're not going to coach them on like how to do lighting. What you're going to do is you're going to walk the property with them. You're going to see what's needed. And then you're going to install a new lighting system for them. And you can swap out lighting system for a new roof or a new garage door or a custom pool or whatever it might be. And some homeowners might want a maintenance plan and ongoing support and have a great engagement with that business. And that's great. And others just are grateful for the new outdoor lighting or the new pool, and they don't want to be bothered after that. And they just want something installed into their home. That's the same idea. So we're not trying to sign everyone up for like this long-term relationship right now. We're installing the system. And that's why we wanted to do this war room style install. It's focused, it's in person, it's an experience where all the work is done ahead of time. The right decisions get made in the room, and then you'll leave with the system that's actually running. So it's not theory, nothing's dragged out. It's just clean execution delivered before, during, and then some support after. And I just want to be really clear on this, that even though we come together for in-person for 2 days, it's not a 2-day engagement. It's closer to probably about a 90-day system install. Because before we ever get into the room, our team spends weeks building out all of the infrastructure inside of your business. So we review the intake, the follow-up, the messaging, the calendars, the sales flow. We're building, we're testing, we're preparing everything. So that way, once we get into the room, we're just using the room for decisions, not the setup. So the 2 days in person is where we get things finalized, where the copy gets approved, videos get recorded, the entire flow gets fully tested, and you and your team are just get trained on how to be able to own this. And after that, we don't disappear. We're going to have 2 post-install follow-ups that are virtually just to make sure everything is running cleanly and nothing breaks once everything is live. And this war room install is really just the execution window that's inside, like I said, about a 90-day support system. So if any of this feels familiar, if you're spending real money to generate demand, if leads are coming in, if your work is solid, your reputation is strong, you have reviews, you have word of mouth, you might be spending $5,000 to $10,000 a month on marketing. Everything is working. You have a solid business. You're probably doing multi-7 figures, but that sales process just feels unpredictable, a little bit more unpredictable than it should. You feel like there's leads getting lost, then you probably don't have a marketing problem. It is probably a systems problem. And what's nice is that system can be fixed. And most of these home service professionals that come to us, they're like, I didn't know about this until you pointed this out. And if you're in that boat, that's totally cool. And that's what this War Room install is for. We're going to install the cold to close framework, put the system into your business. We're not going to coach you on this. This is in theory. We're not just going to hand you a bunch of ideas and wish you luck. We're going to build the system ahead of time, finalize it with you in the room, and then you'll leave with it running inside of your business. And if that sounds like something that you want help with, then the next step is simple. We just have you answer a few questions that are probably on this page, and we'll review your current sales flow with you, see where things are leaking. And if it makes sense to install this now, then we'll walk you through exactly what that looks like. And if it doesn't make sense, no sweat. We'll tell you that too. We only really want to do this with a handful of businesses at a time because of the work that we do. It needs to be done right. And it's very high touch, very customized, very authentic. And if the timing works, I would love to meet with you in the room. I'd love to plug our team in to support you. And if it doesn't work, you'll at least walk away with a little bit of clarity after we have a conversation as well. So either way, you'll know where things are breaking. We would love to do this audit for you. So fill out the form, book a time, and hopefully I get to meet you at one of our next War Room install events.